Yeah.
You
What?
feel that? Nice.
All right, let's get you on your side.
Oh, nice. That was easy.
Tight. Computer notification.
Ouchie.
Yeah. New patients that you had lately.
There you go. Wow. Oh, wow. This is my right side. Yeah, there's something not right with this wrist.
It's not right, you said?
Yeah. Nice, there you go.
You know that I'm always hold you down, hold you down, hold you down.